Welcome to Digital Learning. I'm Manjula ML, Assistant Professor of Commerce, GFGC Kuvempu Nagara, Mysore. In this session, we discussed about the statistics of spreading risk. In the last session, we discussed about spreading of risk in insurance. In that, what is the meaning of risk and types of risk and how to manage the risk. So all these things will be was discussed in the last session. So in this session, we discussed about spreading of statistics of spreading risk. Regarding that, one of the most important one is reinsurance. So reinsurance is known as insurance for insurers or stop loss insurance. Reinsurance is the practice whereby insurers transfer portion of their risk portfolios to other parties by some form of agreement to reduce the likelihood of paying a large obligation resulting from an insurance claim. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಅಂಡರ್ ರೈಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ ಅದು ಹೌ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರೀಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಥ್ರೂ ದಟ್ ದೇ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾರು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿ ಏನು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅಥವಾ ಫುಲ್ ರಿಸ್ಕನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪನಿಗೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಟು ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದ ರಿಸ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೀಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ದ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ದಟ್ ಡೈವರ್ಸಿಫೈಸ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಶೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಪೋರ್ಟ್ಫೋಲಿಯೋ ಈಸ್ ನೋನ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ceding party. The party that accept a portion of the potential obligation in exchange for a share of the insurance premium is known as the reinsurer. The measures and insurance and insurance work reinsurance works anta bandre reinsurance allows insurers to remain solvent by recovering some or all amounts paid to clients, and reinsurance reduces the net liability on individual risk and catastrophe protection from large or multiple losses. The practice also provides ceding companies, those that seek reinsurance, the capacity to increase their underwriting capabilities in terms of the number and size of the risk. So what are the benefit you are getting from the reinsurance anta helodadre, by covering the insurer against accumulated individual commitment, reinsurance gives the insurer more security for its equity and solvency by increasing its ability to withstand the financial burden when unusual and major events occur. Though reinsurance insurers may underwrite policies covering a large quantity or volume of risk without excessively raising administrative costs to cover their solvency margin. In addition, reinsurance makes substantial liquid assets available to insurers in case of exceptional losses. Insurance risk management. It is the assessment and quantification of the likelihood and financial impact of events that may occur in the customer's world that require settlement by the insurer, and the ability to spread the risk of these events occurring across their insurance underwriters in the market. Risk management works typically involves the application of mathematical and statistical modeling to determine appropriate premium cover and the volume of insurance risk to hold versus distribute. Insurance risk management value anta bandaga, alignment of the pricing, market strategy and reinsurance arrangements to the organization risk and as well as optimizing the goal of the organization. Assist client to recognize risk events and changes to claim rates earlier so as to move towards a more market responsive risk-based pricing approach, which ensures the efficient deployment of capital and a reduction in extreme risk event losses. Enhance the feedback mechanism from claims function to underwriting and product development processes to improve the performance and stability of these process. Risk not covered anta bandre, speculative risk are almost never insured by insurance company, unlike pure risk. Insurance companies require policyholders to submit proof of loss before they will agree to pay for damages. Losses that occur more frequently or have a higher required benefit normally have a higher premium. How the risk is avoided? Risk is avoided when the organization refuses to accept it. The exposure is not permitted to come into existence, and this is accomplished by simply not engaging in the action that gives rise to risk. If you do not want to risk losing your savings in a hazardous venture, then pick one where there is a less risk. And how to calculate the risk anta bandre, so here absolute risk is equal to the number of events, whether that is good or bad, in treated or control group divided by the number of people in that group. Absolute risk coverage anta bandre control anta bandaga, so it is equal to the absolute risk of events in the control group. So like this, according to this formula, so we can calculate the insurance company calculate the risk anta ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So this is how the insurance company is spreading his risk with the other insurance company. Thank you.